When seeking a reliable snowblower for airport use, the OVERAEN RS 600 by the Swiss company OVERAEN AS stands out as a proven and tested choice. Renowned for its efficiency, this machine has earned a reputation as one of the best for clearing substantial amounts of snow from airport runways, taxiways, and other surfaces. The RS 600 excels even in harsh winter conditions, thanks to its high-capacity blower head, capable of removing up to 7,500 tons per hour. Equipped with modern technology, including an ergonomic control panel and cutting-edge safety features such as temperature sensors, overload protection, and a fire suppression system, the RS 600 ensures optimal performance. Additionally, its low-emission engine adheres to stringent environmental standards, making it an excellent choice for airports aiming to address snow accumulation efficiently. The LAURI T80 stands as a formidable self-propelled snowblower designed to conquer the most challenging snowy conditions on expansive properties, airports, and even mountains. With a robust Kubota 3307 4-cylinder diesel engine, generating an impressive 97 horsepower, the T80 is a powerhouse built for heavy snow clearing. Choose from 2 mechanical blower heads, capable of devouring up to 400 tons of snow per hour and casting it up to 50 feet away. The hydrostatic transmission with variable speed control ensures precise operation in diverse snow conditions, while the optional heated cab provides comfort during extended use. With a heavy-duty build, the T80 guarantees durability in harsh winter elements. Priced around $50,000, the T80 offers top-tier power and performance, catering to those with serious snow removal needs. In winter maintenance, VAMAS, a Finland-based company, has established itself as a key player in providing equipment for snow clearance at airports. With a focus on ensuring safe and effective airport operations during winter, VAMAS offers a diverse range of solutions for removing snow and ice from runways, taxiways, and other surfaces. Their portfolio includes snowplows, runway sweepers, de-icing units, and snowblowers, all designed to be durable, reliable, and efficient. With over 40 years of experience in the airport snow removal industry, VAMAS has earned a reputation for excellence and innovation. Their products are supplied to airports worldwide, spanning North America, Europe, and Asia. The efficient snow removal facilitated by VAMAS equipment is crucial for maintaining airport operations year-round, irrespective of challenging weather conditions, ensuring the safety of aircraft, travelers, and personnel. Introducing the OVERAEN TV 2200, the colossal self-propelled snowblower that reigns as the world's largest. Crafted by OVERAEN, a leading Norwegian specialist in snow removal equipment, the TV 2200 is purpose-built for airports, where immense snow-clearing capacities and impressive casting distances are imperative. Fueled by two 1100 horsepower engines, it boasts a combined power output of 2200 horsepower, facilitating a staggering clearing capacity of up to 12,000 tons per hour and a casting range of 35 meters. With a two-stage blower system, this powerhouse handles all snow types, from wet to hard-packed and icy. While its price tag hovers around $1 million, the TV 2200 stands as an invaluable asset for airports, ensuring clear runways in any weather condition. As we delve into the winter of 2019 in Minnesota, where the snowfall reached historic levels, we witness the determined efforts of the state's railroads to keep their tracks clear and operational. In these captivating clips, we see specialized trained snowplows in action, bravely tackling the thick blankets of snow covering the rail tracks. These powerful machines, equipped with robust blades, tirelessly carve through the snow, ensuring a smooth train passage. The rhythmic dance of the plow against the snow-covered tracks symbolizes the railroad's relentless commitment to overcoming nature's challenges. It's a visual testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the rail industry, where each swipe of the plow triumphs over the winter elements, allowing the seamless flow of goods and services despite the formidable winter conditions. OVERAEN presents the TV 1000, a remarkable self-propelled snowblower tailored for high-capacity airport snow-clearing operations. Boasting an aerodynamic design, environmentally friendly engines, and advanced fleet management systems, the TV 1000 efficiently handles varying snow depths, ranging from 1 centimeter up to 2 meters in a single pass. With four-wheel drive and steering capabilities, it ensures optimal utilization of the snowblower. The unique cab placement in front or back of the blower chute allows the machine to throw snow up to an impressive distance of 45 meters. The winter wonderland of Soda Springs, California, on Donner Pass's west side. A staggering 4 feet of snow blankets the tracks, but fear not. Enter the SPMW 4034 train, a snow-clearing powerhouse. As we ride the rails through the aftermath of a relentless winter storm, witness the mighty plow in action, slicing through the icy terrain with precision. It's a mesmerizing dance of man and machine, ensuring the tracks remain open for the unstoppable journey ahead. This is the SPMW 4034, forging a path through the frozen landscape, a testament to resilience in the face of nature's wintry embrace. The Snowplow. WW750 Hydraulic is a robust and efficient snow removal tool designed for heavy-duty applications. With its hydraulic system, it offers precise control, allowing operators to navigate and adjust the plow with ease in response to varying snow conditions. Built for durability, it excels in harsh winter environments. The WW750 Hydraulic's advanced technology ensures optimal performance, making it a reliable choice for municipalities, commercial properties, and residential use. This plow stands out for its powerful and user-friendly design, providing an effective solution for clearing snow and ice, enhancing safety and accessibility during winter. The WOWA Model BC is a high-speed runway snowblower celebrated for its remarkable clearing capacity and extensive throwing distance. Operating at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, it efficiently clears large runways during snowstorms with a minimum capacity of 7,500 tons per hour, ensuring optimal performance even in heavy snowfall. The dual auger system and adjustable casting angle contribute to smooth snow intake and efficient dispersal, while its robust construction guarantees reliability in harsh winter conditions. Designed specifically for airports, this specialized machine comes at a higher cost. Considerations include its substantial size, necessitating specialized transportation and storage, and the importance of regular maintenance for optimal longevity. As a top-tier runway workhorse, the WOWA Model BC excels in speed, capacity, and enduring performance, making it an unparalleled choice for demanding snow removal needs. Arctic Machine, OI, based in Finland, has been a leading expert in innovative snow removal and ice clearing equipment solutions since 1991. The company has an extensive lineup of snow removal equipment, including snowplows, snowblowers, gritters, and runway sweepers. OI's machines are designed to be efficient and reliable, capable of operating in extreme weather conditions to ensure safe and uninterrupted traffic flow during winter. With a solid reputation for quality and innovation, the company's products are utilized by airports, municipalities, and road-building firms in Finland and worldwide. One of their notable products is the AMT 600 SD Airport Snowplow, designed explicitly for airport situations. Arctic Machine OI strongly emphasizes sustainability, continuously improving its product's effectiveness and environmental impact through innovation and research. The company's commitment to meeting strict ecological requirements is evident in its eco-friendly approach to product development. Region 45 is another prominent Russian road building and maintenance equipment contributor. Established in 1945 and headquartered in Ryazan, Dorex offers a comprehensive range of road maintenance equipment, including snowplows, snowblowers, gritters, and road sweepers. These products are engineered to be reliable, efficient, and effective in adverse weather conditions, ensuring safe traffic movement during winter. Municipalities, airports, and road building firms in Russia and beyond rely on Dorex's products for their solid reputation for quality and dependability. In addition to snow removal equipment, Dorex manufactures road rollers, asphalt pavers, and other road building tools. A distinguishing feature of Dorex's machinery is its commitment to meeting strict environmental regulations, striving for efficiency and effectiveness without compromising sustainability or neglecting ecological impacts. The company's emphasis on quality, innovation, and sustainability has made it a preferred partner choice.